goes away.
I know, well. No, put him back. Kayla, put it back.
Put back, put back, put back. Oh, I didn't have my vitamin, did I?
No, not yet.
Oh, when you walk into the store, have my vitamin.
Give me, Kay. Give those to Mommy. Thank you. We're going to put them away. No snacks. It's too early. Kayla, no. Kayla, look at Mommy. No. No. Kayla, get back here. Get back here. Kayla. Kayla.